bad.
Okay. Are you alright?
He's the one that's being the aggressor.
Okay.
He's already sprayed Adam in the face with cologne twice.
Okay.
And he hit him in the face.
Okay.
Case domestic disturbance, mental health crisis arrest, Hunt County, Texas, Greenville, TX, charge assault family member, subject Bryce Huff, autism Klinefelter syndrome schizophrenia, victim stepfather Chapman, outcome Hunt County Jail.
What's going on, man? How you doing today? He did what? Okay. Are you alright?
He's the one that's being the aggressor.
Okay.
He's already sprayed Adam in the face with cologne twice.
Okay.
And he hit him in the face.
Okay. What's his name?
Bryce.
What kind of issue?
He has a little bit of autism. He has Klinefelter syndrome and schizophrenia.
Okay. When was the last time he was at a doctor?
Huh?
When was the last time he was to a doctor?
We just went to the PCP last month. We were supposed to go to the neurologist last month, but we didn't get to make it because of the car. I have it rescheduled, but we haven't been yet.
Okay.
The best thing I can suggest is going to Glen Oaks until I can get.
Well, Glen Oaks isn't taking people right now, so we're gonna have to. If I have to take him, he's gonna have to go all the way to DeSoto. So.
No.
You gotta do something. You can't be hitting people, bub. Huh?
You can't stay here when you're being aggressive, Ross.
Behave.
You're not being hay.
What are we gonna be able to do today?
Dopehead.
He's a dopehead?
Don't be dopehead.
He said he was going to go to bed, but he's not going to go to bed.
Okay, is there any family around or anything that...
The closest family's in Cooper, and he gives them a hard time too. My sister has heart problems, and he can't stay there.
You got any knives or anything? Anything
No,
sharp?
We took them all away.
Okay. What's his name?
Bryce.
Bryce. What's his last name?
Huff.
You want to go to the hospital?
No.
You don't want to go to the hospital? You're probably not going to have a choice, bub. Has he ever been to jail? He has. For...
Hitting me.
Yeah, I'm fine. Hold on, Bryce. Don't go walking off. Will you do me a favor and come over and sit in my car for a little bit? So I can talk to your folks, so I can talk to your family for a minute? Will you come on over here? Come on. Hold on. I'll get your shoes, Bryce. I'll get your shoes. Come on. Just come on over here and have a seat in my car for a minute, okay? There you go. So he slapped you?
He punched me.
He punched me.
Where'd he punch you?
Right here.
Okay. Did it hurt? I'm asking, did it hurt? Did it cause you pain? Okay.
That's and we like you said, we went through it all day long. He sprayed me in the face with Old Spice.
Twice.
It's been.
And this been going on all day?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a reason you didn't call before?
It was. We were trying to maintain it, like not. It wasn't serious.
Have you been able to control it before?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We have. He's.
What caused him to punch you in the face?
I don't know actually right now. They just got back from eating.
Okay, so y'all weren't arguing about anything?
No.
No, we just got back from eating, and I told him to take.
I was here, and they just got like they was eating with her friend.
Just got back.
Do you live here?
Yeah.
Okay. I got allergies. I apologize. My nose has been running all day. What's your last name?
Chapman.
And you said he has been to jail before?
Yes, sir.
In Hunt County?
No, in Dulce County.
Okay. And you said that was for assaulting you?
Yes, sir.
Was it just assault, or was it something? Was it just misdemeanor assault, or was it?
He punched me in the eye twice.
Okay. So it's assault bodily injury?
Yeah.
Okay. Is he on probation or anything?
No.
When was that?
A couple years ago.
Did he get convicted or anything? Did he ever do any jail time?
No.
There was no conviction?
No.
Did they drop the case?
I guess so. They just kept him overnight.
Okay. But he didn't go to court or anything on that?
No.
Who all saw what happened?
I did.
Would you do me a favor and get 2 affidavits, I guess, and... Yeah, 2 affidavits and a family violence. And he said he's autistic and what else?
Schizophrenia. Klinefelter syndrome.
I
I don't know how to spell it.
I got you.
It's basically...
And what is... Okay, yeah, what is the basic? Just kind of a layman.
He's like missing... Like, the brain didn't develop all the way in the middle part of the brain.
Okay.
And then the Klinefelter syndrome is extra X chromosome.
Okay, what...
And then the autism is the
Right. Yeah, I'm very familiar with autism.
it's the Asperger syndrome.
Okay. Bryce, would you, hold on. Okay, hold on. Would you turn around for me and face the other side of the car? I'll let you pee here in just a little bit, okay? We're not very far from where we got to go, so just relax. Just relax. Relax. Just relax. Okay? I'm not going to hurt you. I have no desire. I don't want to hurt you, okay? All right. There you go. Huh? Why are you being arrested? Yeah, because you hit your stepdad. Okay, you hit your stepdad. You can't do that. Okay? That's why you're being arrested right now. Is because you hit your stepdad.
Okay.
Okay? Hold on. I can't understand what you're saying, bro.
Hey, stop.
Hey, will you have his mom come over here real quick? Okay. Here, Bryce, let me put this on here real quick. Shoes. Yeah, I can't understand. He's trying to tell me something about his kid. I was wanting to make sure, and I need a pair of shoes also.
Okay.
I'll come over and grab his shoes. All right, Bryce, go ahead. Tell your mom.
You have day have tomorrow, but you're not going to day have. They're going to take you to the hospital because you need to get some help.
No, he's not going to the hospital.
He's not going to the hospital?
No.
So what are y'all doing?
He's going to Hunt County.
Okay. Okay, so I'll get the shoes.
Yes, please, if you wouldn't mind. Hold on, Bryce. What did he say? Okay, hold on, Bryce. Where did it happen at?
Where it hit me?
No, where did it happen in the house? Like, okay. Your head's still sore?
I mean, well, you mean right back there. I mean,
Okay.
it wasn't that bad, but I mean, it was just. Like I said,
Hey, buddy. Hey.
way go.
Put him in the house, please. If I get bit, he's going to get...
No, he's...
Okay, I'm just...
Go.
He's nice.
Okay, will you do me a favor? Go ask him why he's wanting to go to the hospital. If it's because of this, that he doesn't want to go to jail, or is it... If he's having a medical issue or something, then that's fine. But if it's just because he doesn't want to go to jail, then...
Yes, sir. You'll stand right here.
I don't know if there's a bar.
Yeah, we still got to take a picture.
You good.
Hey, if you'll face me first.
Yeah.
We'll do the front, and then we'll go to the back. Nothing on your arms or in your face? Okay, just turn around.
If I want to hurt you, just take it.
Was it in your head?
It's right there.
Okay. You'll just keep your hand right there, pointing at it where it was. Right there on your neck.
Yeah, right there.
We get one more picture, we'll be done. All right. Thank you, sir.
That's what I was going to ask.
Issue 1. Mental Health Diversion. Texas Health and Safety Code, Section 573.001. Emergency detention without warrant is authorized if person is mentally ill plus poses substantial risk of serious harm. Officer attempted Section 573.001 diversion. Glen Oaks closed to admissions. No available bed equals no viable pathway. Criminal arrest is the only option. Lesson: psychiatric bed unavailability does not eliminate the Section 573.001 duty to attempt diversion. Document the attempt plus facility refusal in writing. Issue 2. Lawfulness of detention. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. Eyewitness victim plus witnessed assault plus physical injury equals probable cause established at first contact. Terry threshold exceeded. Pre-arrest seating in patrol vehicle equals permissible investigative stop. Stop ripened into lawful probable cause arrest under 4th Amendment. Issue 3. Charge classification. Texas Penal Code. Section 22.01 Assault family member. Section 22.01b2 Prior family violence conviction. Class A misdemeanor upgrades to 3rd degree felony 210 IRS TDCJ. Class A misdemeanor is less than or equal to 1 IR county jail plus $4,000 fine. 3rd degree felony 210 IRS TDCJ plus up to $10,000 fine. Prior Del County arrest, no conviction on record. Charge remains Class A misdemeanor. Lesson: prior conviction status must be verified before completing affidavit. Determines charge level bond conditions and prosecutorial strategy.
She's gonna ask him. Okay, Bryce, I got your shoes. Hang on a sec. Yeah, ask him.
So,
All right.
are you wanting to go to the hospital because you don't want to go to jail?
No, me do it to have to pay.
You don't want to go to the hospital?
Well,
You don't want to go to the hospital?
the pay for the doctor, you have to pay.
You hit Adam, Bryce.
Do what you do, have to pay.
There's consequences for hitting people, Bryce.
Do what you do, there.
Okay, what's he
Have to
saying?
pay.
Bryce, you have to do what they tell you to do.
Have to pay.
You can't go to the hospital.
Hold
You
on.
asked him why he wanted to go to the hospital.
Why are you wanting to go to the hospital?
Deep hope.
To get help?
To get help?
What kind of help?
What kind of help?
Pay high money.
They had medicine.
Yeah, we committed a crime, so
Yeah,
But
that's...
you committed a crime, though, Bryce.
you gotta go to jail. You gotta get some help after you get out of jail.
You gotta get help.
Actually, they got meds on.
Yeah, they got
Oh, they don't,
medication in
yeah.
jail. You see the nurse there, probably.
You don't need his medicines.
No. Not right now. Like I said, it's
Hey, mom.
just Hunt County. It's literally right over there on Stewart Street, so my guess he'll probably be out tomorrow
Okay.
if I was betting. So, all right, Bryce, let me see the other foot. Yeah,
What kind of medicine does he take?
there you go. All right, put your feet back down.
I don't know. I have it's in a pill pack. It's on a list. That's why I'm saying I can give you the medicine. He has medicine he's supposed to take in the morning, but it's like in a pill pack.
Okay.
If you have it, go ahead.
Is it about his name and all that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, just give it to them.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
These are the medicines he just picked tonight. They're right here. And then this one right here, it's like an allergy medicine.
Okay, I'm not going to remember all this, and I don't know.
Do they have? Is it a prescription medication?
Yeah.
They have it there because the nurse gonna interpret all that. Like we can't
Okay,
interpret.
Yeah,
I'm just letting you know what's.
Yeah, so we will give that to the jail.
Okay, what is all this? Is this the same as this?
This is bedtime. This is morning.
It has the prescription right here,
Okay.
and it says morning. So the nurse from the jail will look at it, and she will administer them.
Baba. Baby, tomorrow.
We'll see what they say.
What are you saying?
I'm not picking you up tomorrow for day half. I'm seeing what they're going to do, however long they keep you. Okay?
What day?
We don't know.
What are you saying?
Eat tight.
It's supposed to be tight, Bryce.
Yeah, we're about to leave, and you're about to get him off. Okay. All right. So you'll see Mom probably tomorrow or the day after, right?
Okay.
Good,
Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm going to.
bro. Take it in.
Thank you. You got all affidavits in.
Form, I gave him the green card. I got 2 affidavits, and I got photos.
Appreciate it.
It's a class C, right? No? Okay.
An empty wallet in his back right pocket. Yeah, just real quick. Hey, Bryce, would you stand right here for me? Is it okay if I take a picture real quick? Okay.
I like your shoes, sir.
Look, right here for me, okay? Thank you.
Issue 4, Mental Capacity, Texas Penal Code Section 8.01, Insanity Defense. Section 8.01 applies only if defendant did not know conduct was wrong due to severe mental disease. High bar not met here. Subject's own statements show awareness of causation and consequences. Diagnosed disability is not equal to automatic insanity defense under Texas law. Issue 5, Use of Force, Graham versus Connor, 490, U.S. 386, 1989. 3 factors. 1. Severity of crime. 2. Immediate threat. 3. Active resistance. Applied witnessed assault plus no resistance. Handcuffing only equals constitutional. Issue 6. Medical care obligation. Estelle versus Gamble, 429 U.S. 971-976. 8th Amendment. Deliberate indifference to serious medical needs equals unconstitutional. Psychotropic medications for schizophrenia equals serious medical need under Estelle. Officer inventoried and transferred medication packs to jail intake. Discharges 8th Amendment duty. Omission equals Section 1983 civil liability exposure. ISSU 7. Mental health disclosure. At Intake Texas CCP Art. 16.22. Arresting officer must communicate mental health history to magistrate plus jail staff. Omission equals statutory violation plus potential Section 1983 exposure for the agency. Issue 8. Prosecutorial diversion. Texas Health and Safety Code, Chapter 574. Mental health courts may divert defendants into treatment-based dispositions, deferred adjudication, conditional dismissal, or civil commitment. Diversion does not require acquittal. DA should evaluate CH 574 inches every case involving serious mental illness. Key legal lessons. 1. Section 573.001. Attempt diversion first. Document refusal. 2. Section 22.01b. 2. Always verify prior conviction it changes the charge class. 3. Estelle v. Gamble. Medication transfer equals constitutional duty, not courtesy. 4. Art. 16.22. Mental health disclosure to magistrate is non-optional. 5. Section 8.01. Disability does not equal insanity defense. 6. CH 574 DA must evaluate mental health court diversion proactively.